Like I've been always saying that the smartphones are not only getting smarter these days but more beautiful. And the beauty is not just restricted to those premium smartphones. The premiumness is getting into those budget smartphones as well. I'm talking about none other than Huawei sub-brand Honor. They recently came out with the Honor 9N. Take a look for yourself. Well, just look at this device. It looks absolutely premium. And would you believe me that the price starts from rupees 11,999, and this would go on sale from 31st July 12 noon exclusively on Flipkart.
Honor, the sub-brand of Huawei, has finally unveiled its latest smartphone, the Honor 9N. Though being a budget smartphone, it has a premium look and design to it. The Honor 9N will be available at an affordable price starting from Rs 11,999 for 3GB RAM and 32GB of ROM. 4GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM available at a price of Rs 13,999, and 4GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM available at a price of Rs 17,999. Honor 9N has 4 color variants to choose from: Midnight Black, Robin Egg Blue, Lavender Purple and Sapphire Blue. All thanks to the 12 layers glass coating, which gives this smartphone a smooth mirror-like finish, thus giving it a very glossy and premium look. Honor 9N is exclusive to Flipkart and sale begins 12 noon from 31st of July. Bollywood actor Bhumi Pednekar also clicked a selfie with Honor 9N smartphone during its launch. On the display front, the Honor 9N comes equipped with narrow notch design with Full HD Plus resolution with 19:9 aspect ratio and 79% screen to body ratio for more screen space with minimal bezel experience. The Honor 9N is powered with a dual 13MP plus 2MP lens with f/0.95 aperture on the secondary lens. The Honor 9N dual lens camera helps to add that bokeh effect. The smartphone's 16MP front selfie camera is equipped with a portrait mode feature as well. The Honor 9N is equipped with Android 8.0 Oreo and Kirin 659 processor. This specifically helps in power consumption. The smartphone features 3000 mAh battery to blaze through long hours of usage without the need to charge it. The Honor 9 is powered with a smart face unlock feature, which not only unlocks the phone but also keeps notification private. The phone comes with Paytm Pay feature, in which the user's fingerprint directs to the pay page of Paytm while making payments. The Honor 9 comes equipped with a ride mode, which ensures the safety of the two-wheeled rider by keeping them away from unwanted distraction. There is also a party mode which enables users to connect 6 smartphones with one master device to play in sync music.